G'day folks, and welcome to another Ken's Home video. Today we're off to see the 2011 Muscle Car Masters at Eastern Creek, Group A and C. Another huge grid of cars. When you look at the field, there's 42 cars, and probably the biggest variety out of any of the categories because of the era difference. So many great winning cars. Toyota Supra with Johnny Smith, that's a pretty hard one to match. And the Nissan Skyline GTR, this is the ex Jimmy Richards Bathurst winning. You've got VL Walkinshaw Commodores, Nissan Skylines, A9X Tiranas, BMW N3s, Commodore VLs, Nissan Bluebirds, Ford Sierras. That's a mix of everything in there. You got the Ford Escorts, the RS2000s, the Geminis, the Capris, even a Volvo 240T from Robbie Francevic, who must be a million years old, because I saw him race at Bathurst 79 in a Volvo. Toyota Sprinters, and even an XC Falcon. So there you go folks, Group A and C, huge 42 car field, and about to get away with Jason Richards in the Paul Stubber number 76 Tirana A9X leading the way out.
Which is scheduled for 5 laps. Lap record set last year this very same weekend, 141.85 by Terry Ashwood, not surprisingly driving the all-wheel drive Nissan Skyline. Nice crowd of people here too, Darren Knight, enjoying the beautiful warm quite a lot of people that normally go to race meeting, so they'll see a big draw card down next March. We've seen the Formula 5000s down there, Darren, includes a few people here from various CAMS affiliating groups and CAMS members from Trackside and Free. One chap, John, who's wandering around with his hat very nicely, Queensland badges, and we've worked Trackside on a number of occasions. We're all very excited by the Formula 5000s, and potentially we may be seeing a walk down to be one of those iconic Australian motorsport. Yes. Just before doing it too. Yeah. Essentially, test revival for an event like this. So it would be fantastic. Of course, Formula 5000 was a premium open wheel category right until the early 80s. People started around about at the same time as a lot of touring cars were about to see start this race. We'll see, as I mentioned. The cars come out now to get the race start underway.
Front row of the grid, with both ironically GIO cars, and one's Rod Marklin on pole position in the Nissan Skyline GTR. And then you've got David Holk in the VL Walkinshaw Commodore, also a GIO car. In the second row of the grid, you've got Terry Ashwood and Nissan Skyline from John Smith and the Supra. And then further back, you've got Jason Richards in the A9 X Tirana. So it should be a good start, folks. It'll be an interesting start to see who gets off first amongst all these cars. The grid seems to stretch forever when you've got 42 cars on there. Looks like Rod Barkland in the GIO Nissan Skyline GTR got a bit swamped at the start, but what a great start by the other GTR of Terry Ashwood. Smithy had a pretty good start, as well as Jason Richards.
Coming around into turn 4 and 5 for the first time. Rod Barkland bogged down, and the man that started in pole position is back there in behind the A9X of Jason Richards, so keep an eye on Markland as he tries to regain some of that lost track position. Well, it's going to be powered away versus Nicholas, I think, around the back part of the circuit there, Darren. The A9X closed in under brakes, but he has got a very quick car on him. John Smith having a great run for the turbo super.
Front runners have really pulled away from the back section of the field, so they're still coming around the corner. At the moment we're on turn 4 at the back of the pits. We're saying over the loudspeakers that the state government has allocated $9 million for an upgrade of Eastern Creek, which is great. The first part of it they've already finished, which is joining turns 4 and turns 9, so they miss out completely on Corporate Hill, make a short circuit as well as a long circuit, which is a good idea. Have a look at this for a battle, folks. 3 abreast. Just following Jason Richards around turn 9 at the moment. This is the ex-Harvey Mobile Holden Doula team A9X Tirana. go for a race for the checkered flag. It's Terry Atwood and the Nissan Skyline from Smithy in the Supra. That was a great race between the Supra and the Skyline. They were hammer and tongs all race. Coming in third was David Holk and Van Walkinshaw from Kerry Morgan in the Skyline, and Norman Mogg in the VL Commodore, followed by Jason Richards, the ANONX Tirana.
To take the checkered flag out of turn 12 he comes. Get your cameras ready as well, ladies and gentlemen.